Chapter 11 एकादशाध्यायः विश्वरूपदर्शन योग। अर्जुनोवाच मदनुग्रहाय परमं गुह्यमध्यात्मसञ्चितं यत्त्वया उक्तं वचस्तेन मोह्यं विगतो मम। Arjun said, having heard the supremely confidential knowledge of your vibhutis, which you reveal out of compassion for me, my delusion has now been dispelled. Bhavapayayo hi bhutanam shuto vistarashayo maya tvattaha kamalpatraksha mahatmayamapi chavyayam. O lotus-eyed Lord, I have heard from you in detail about the origin and dissolution of the living entities, as well as your unlimited glories. Evam etad yathatvaham atmanam parameshvara drushtum ichhami te rupam eshvaram purushottama. O Parameshwar, I accept all that you have spoken about yourself as true. O Purushottam, now I wish to see that great form, replete with your Aishwarya. Maniyase yadi tachakyam maya drishtumiti prabho yogeshvara tato me tvam darshayatmanam avayayam. O Prabhu, if you think that it is possible for me to behold your imperishable Aishwarya form, then please, O Yogeshwar, reveal that form to me. Shri Bhagavan Uvacha Pashyame Partha Rupani Shatasho Atha Sahasraha Nana Vidhani Divyani Nana Varnakritini cha. Shri Bhagavan said, O Partha, behold my hundreds and thousands of various multicolored divine forms. Pashyadityan vasun rudra ashvinau marutastatha bahuni adrishta purvani pashyascharyani bharat. O Bharata, behold the 12 Adityas, the 8 Vasus, the 2 Ashwani Kumaras, the 49 Marutas, and so many other wondrous and astonishing forms that you have never seen before. Ihekastham jagat krishnam pashyadhya sacharacharam mama dehe gudakesha yachanya drishtumicchasi. O Gudakesh, now behold the entire universe, including all moving and non-moving beings, assembled together in one place within this body of mine. Whatever else you may wish to see is also visible within this universal form. Na tu mam shakasya drishtum anyanye swachakshusa Divyam dadami te chakshuhu pashyame yogam eshwaram. However, you are unable to see me with the eyes you have now. Therefore, I confer upon you divine eyes with which to behold my Yogeshwarya. Sanjay uvacha eva muktva tato rajan Mahayogeshwaro Harihi Darshayamasa Parthaya Paramam Rupam Eshwaram. Sanjay said, O King, after saying this, Mahayogeshwar Shri Hari revealed to Arjun his supreme Aishwarya form. अनेकवक्त्रनयनम् अनेकाद्भुतदर्शनम् अनेकदिव्याभरणं दिव्यानेकोदयातुयधं दिव्यमालम्बरं दिव्यगन्धनुलेपनं सर्वाश्चर्यमयं देवम् अनन्तविश्वतोमुखम्. Arjun saw the Vishwarup of Shri Bhagwan, who possessed unlimited mouths and eyes and all varieties of astonishing features. Countless exquisite ornaments and heavenly garlands bedecked that form, in whose hands numerous celestial weapons were raised. He was dressed in lavish garments, anointed with divine fragrances, and he was full of wonders, unlimited and resplendent with faces on all sides. Divi Surya Sahasrasya Bhaved Yugapad Uthitita Yadi Baha Sadrishi Sasyad Bhasatasya Mahatmana. If 1,000 suns rose all at once in the sky, such splendor might approach the effulgence of that Supreme Person in His radiant universal form. Tatraikastham Jagat Krishnam Pravibhaktam Anekada Apashya Deva Devasya Sharire Pandavastada. At that time, Arjun could see the totality of the entire universe situated in one place in that gigantic body of Vishwarupa, the God of gods. Tataha sa vismaya vishto hrishtaro dhananjaya pranamaya shirasa devam kritanjaliri bhashata. Struck by wonder, his hair standing on end, Arjun bowed his head to offer pranams, and with folded hands, he spoke the following words to Shri Krishna, the originator of that universal form. Arjuna vachaha pashyami devam stava deva dehe sarvam tatha bhuta vishesha sangam Brahmanamisham kamalasnam sthitam rishim cha sarvam urgam cha divyam. Arjun said, O my Lord, within your divine body, I see the Devatas and all the hosts of living beings. I see Lord Brahma upon his lotus flower seat, Lord Shiva and all the divine rishis and serpents. Aneka bahudara vaktra netram Pashyami tvam sarvatvanantarupam Nanytam na madhyam na punastavadim Pashyami Vishweshwara Vishwarupa. O Vishwareshwar, Lord of the universe, O Vishwarupa, I see your innumerable forms with unlimited hands, bellies, mouths and eyes on all sides. Moreover, I cannot see you in any beginning, middle or end. Kirtinam gadinam chakrinam cha tejo rashim sarvatva diptimantam Pashyami tam durnikikshan samanta diptanalarka dyutim apramayam. I see your form as a supremely brilliant, all-pervading abode of splendor, adorned with crowns and bearing clubs and discs on all sides. It is very difficult to look upon you in the blazing fire of your effulgence, which is radiating like the sun in all directions. Tvam aksharam paramam vidhi vettayam Tvam asya vishvasya paramam nidhanam Tvam avayaya shashvata dharma gopta Sanatas tvam purusho mato me. You are Parabrahm, the supreme, knowable object for all liberated persons. You are the supreme resting place of this universe. You are inexhaustible, the protector of Sanatan Dharma and the primeval Purusha. This is my opinion. Anadi madhyantam ananta virjam अनन्तबाहुं शशिसूर्यनेत्रं पश्यामि त्वं दीप्तिहुताशवक्त्रं स्वतेजसा विश्वमिदं तपन्तम्. You are without beginning, middle, or end. You possess infinite prowess, innumerable arms, and eyes like the sun and the moon. I see fire blazing from your mouth, and the whole universe being scorched by your radiance. Dvaya aprithayoridam antaram hi vyaptam tva ekena dishascha sarva drishtvaadbhutam rupam idam tavogram lokatrayam pravayathitam mahatmana. You alone pervade all the directions and all space between earth and the heavens. O Mahatman, seeing this wondrous and terrible form of yours, all the inhabitants of the three worlds are becoming afflicted with fear. Amihi tvam sura sangha vishanti kechid bhitaha pranjalayo ghrunanti swastihi yuktva maharishi siddha sangaha stuvanti tvam stutubhi pushkalabhi. The hosts of devas are taking your shelter by entering into you. Out of fear, some are eulogizing you with folded hands. The great sages and siddhas are gazing upon you while chanting auspicious Vedic hymns, offering many prayers and praising you profusely. Rudraditya vasvo ye cha sadhya vishvayashvino marutaschoshmapascha Gandharva yaksha sura siddha sangha vikshayante tvam vishmataschaiva sarve. The 11 Rudras, the 12 Adityas, the 8 Vasus, the Sadhya Devas, the Vishwa Devas, the 2 Ashwani Kumaras, the Marutas, Pitras, Gandharvas, Yakshas, Asuras, and the Siddhas are all beholding you with wonder. Rupam mahate bahu vaktra netram mahabahu bahu rupadam bahudaram bahudamstrakaralam drishtva loka pravayathitas tathaham. O Mahabahu, on seeing your gigantic form with its unlimited mouths, countless eyes, innumerable arms, thighs, feet, bellies, and many fearsome teeth, everyone, including me, is becoming terrified. Nabha sparsham diptan ekavaranam vyatatananam dipta vishala netram drishtva hi tvam pravyathitinantara atma dhritim na vindami shamanascha Vishnu. O Vishnu, seeing your blazing multicolored form pervade the sky with your great fiery eyes and vast wide open mouths, my mind is overpowered by fear, and I am not feeling steady or at peace. Damstraya karalani chate mukhani drishtva eva kalanal sannibhani disho na jene na labhe cha sharma prasida devesha jagan nivasa. Seeing all these dreadful mouths, full of fearsome teeth and blazing like the fire of annihilation, I am unable to ascertain where the 4 directions are, or feel any kind of happiness. O Lord of the Devas, O shelter of the universe, kindly be merciful to me. Amicha tvam dhritarashtrasya putra sarve sahevevani pala sangahe Bhishmo dronaha sutraputrastathaso sahasa madhyerapi yodha mukhe vaktrani te tavarmana vishanti damstre karalani bhayanakani केचिद्विलग्न दशन अन्तरेषु सदर्शयन्ते चूर्णातेरुताम अंगैः. All the sons of Dhritarashtra, along with their allied host of kings, Bhishma, Drona, Karna, as well as the leading warriors on our side, are rushing towards you with great speed and entering your cave-like mouths, which are filled with frightful teeth. Some are also trapped there, with their heads crushed between those teeth. Yatha nadinam bahuam bahuvegah samudram evabhimukha dravanti तथा तवामि नरलोकवीरा विशन्ति वक्त्राणि अभिविजलयन्ति. All these great heroes are entering your blazing mouths, just as the waves of a river rush impetuously towards the ocean. यथा प्रदीप्तं ज्वलनं पतङ्गः विशन्ति नाशाय समृद्धवेगः तथैव नाशाय विशन्ति लोकस्तवापि वक्त्राणि समृद्धवेगः. As moths rush into a blazing fire and perish, so too are these warriors entering your mouths with great speed, only to die. लेलीयस्य ग्रसमानः समन्ताल् लोकान् समग्रन् वदनेर्ज्वलाधिभिः तेजोभिरपूर्य जगत् समग्रं भाषास्तवोग्रः प्रतपन्ति विष्णु. O Vishnu, with your fiery tongues, you are licking up the hosts of living beings on all sides and devouring them with your blazing mouths. You are scorching the entire universe with the fierce, all-pervading rays of your effulgence. Akhyahi me ko bhavanugra rupo नमस्तु ते देववर प्रसीद विज्ञातुमिच्छामि भवन्तमाद्यं नाहि प्रजनामि तब प्रवृत्तिम्. O Devavara, best among gods, I offer my obeisances unto you. Kindly be gracious to me and tell me who you are in this ferocious form. I very much want to know you, the primeval cause, because I do not comprehend your activities. Shri Bhagavan Uvachaha Kalo asmi lokshaya krita pravriddho lokan samaharutam iha pravartaha rite api tvam na bhavishyanti sarve yo avasthita pratyanikeshu yodhaha. Shri Bhagavan said, I am Time, the mighty destroyer of the world, and I am here to annihilate all these people. Even without your efforts, not one warrior in either army will survive. Tasmat tvam utishtah yasho labhasva jitva shatruna bhungshasva rajyam samraddham maya eva tanihatah purvam eva nimittamatram bhavasavya. Rise up, therefore, to enter the battle and achieve glory by conquering your enemies, and thereby enjoy an unrivaled kingdom. All these warriors are already slain by me alone. O Savyaschin, expert bowmen, just become my instrument. Dronascha Bhishmancha Jayarathancha Karnam tathanyam api yodha veera Maya hatanstvам jahima vyathishta yudhasva jetasi rane sapatna. Drona, Bhishma, Jayadratha, Karna, and many other great heroes have already been destroyed by me. So simply kill them and do not be disturbed. Your victory in battle is assured. Therefore fight. Sanjay Uvachaha Eta Shutva Vachanam Keshavasya Kritanjaliri Vepamanaha Kiriti Namaskritva Bhuya Evaha Krishnam Sagadgadam Bhita Bhitaha Pranamya. Sanjay said to Dhritarashtra, Upon hearing these words of Shri Keshav, Arjun, trembling, offered repeated obeisances with folded hands, and being extremely frightened, began speaking to Krishna in a faltering voice as follows. Arjuno vachaha sthane rishikesh tava parikirtaya jagat prahasriyati anurajayete cha rakshami bhitani dishpo dravanti sarve namasyanti cha siddha sangaha. Arjun said, O Rishikesh, everyone in the universe is becoming joyful and attached to you on hearing the glorification of your name, form and qualities. The Rakshasas are scattering out of fear, while the hosts of Siddhas are offering their obeisances unto you. All this is, indeed, most appropriate. Kasmacha tena namerana mahatma Garyasi brahmano api adi kritre Ananta devesha jagana nivasa Tvam aksharam sad asad tat paramya. O Mahatman, O Lord of the Devas, O Ananta, O refuge of the world, you are greater even than Brahma. You are the original creator and you are Brahma, the imperishable reality beyond both cause and effect. Why then would they not offer obeisances to you? Tvamadi devaha purushaha puranastavamasya vishvasya param nidhanama vetasi vedyancha parancha dhama tvai tatam vishyamananta rupa. You are the original Lord, the primeval person and the sole resting place of this universe. You are the supreme abode, the knower of everything and all that is to be known. O Anantarupa, possessor of unlimited forms, you alone pervade the entire universe. Vayuryamo Agni Varunaha Shashankaha Prajapatistvam Prapitamahascha Namo Namaste Vastu Sahasrakritva Punascha Bhuyo Api Namo Namaste. You are the wind god Vayu and Yama, the superintendent of death. You are the fire god Agni, the ocean god Varuna, the moon god Chandra, the creator Brahma, and also the father of Brahma. Therefore, I offer my obeisances to you thousands of times, again and again. Nama purastadvat prishtastaste Namaste te sarvatra eva sarva Ananta viryamita vikramastvam Sarvam samapanoshi tato asi sarvaha. O Sarva Sarupa, my obeisances to you from the front, behind and from all sides. Possessing infinite prowess and valor, you pervade the entire universe. Therefore, you are everything. Sakheti matva parabhasam taduktam He Krishna, He Yadav, He Sakheti Ajanata mahimanam tavedam Maya pramadat pramanena vapi Yachavaha sartham asatkrito asi Viharashaya asana bhojaneshu Eko athavapi achut tat samaksham Tat shame tvam aham apramayam. Not knowing your glories, and either because I was careless or affectionately considering you as my friend, I have rashly addressed you, Hey Krishna, Hey Yadav, Hey Sakhe, Hey Achyuta. If in jesting I have shown you disrespect, either alone with you or in the presence of relatives, while sporting, relaxing, sitting or taking food, I humbly entreat you, O Apramay, Lord of the boundless glories, to please forgive me. Pitasi lokasya characharasya Tamasya pujayascha guru griya नात्वत्समोऽस्ति अभ्यादिकः कुतोऽन्यो लोकत्रयोऽपि अप्रतिम प्रभाव. O possessor of unrivaled power, you are the Father, the most worshipable, the Guru and the most honored person in this entire world of moving and non-moving beings. No one in the three worlds is your equal, so who could possibly be greater than you? Tasmat pranamya pranidhaya kayam prasadhya tvam aham isham iddayam piteva putrasya sukheva sakhyu priyaha priyaya harasi deva sodum. Thus, I offer my prostrated obeisances at your lotus feet. O adorable Parameshwar, I entreat you to be gracious to me. O Deva, just as the father forgives his son, a friend tolerates a friend, or a lover excuses his beloved, please forgive all my offenses. Adrishtam purvam hrishito asmi drishtva bhayena cha pravayathitam mano me tadeva me drishya deva rupam prasid devesh jagan nivasa. O Deva, having seen this Vishwarup of yours, which was never seen before, I am overjoyed, but my mind is also very much perturbed due to fear. O Devesh, God of the gods, please again show me your four-handed form. O Jagan Nivas, refuge of the entire universe, please be gracious to me. Kiritinam gadinam chakrahastam ichhami tvam drishtumaham tathaiva teneva rupena chaturbhujena sahasrabahu bhava vishwamurte. I long to see you in that Chaturbhuja Roop, adorned with helmet, mace and disc. O Sahasrabahu, thousand-armed one, O Vishwamurti, universal form, please show me that four-armed form once again. Shri Bhagavan Uvachaha Maya prasannena tavarjunedam Rupam param darshitam atma yoga Tejo mayam vishwam anantam adhyam Yanme tvad anyena nadrishta purvam. Shri Bhagavan said, O Arjun, because I am pleased with you, I have shown you my resplendent, unlimited and primeval universal form by my inconceivable Yogmaya Shakti. This form has never been seen by anyone other than you. Na veda yagyadhyayanair na daner na cha kriyabhir na tapobhir ugrahe evam rupaha shakya aham nirloke drishtum tvad anyena kuru pravira. O Kuru Parivar, great hero among the Kurus, no one but you in this mortal world is able to see my Vishwarup. This form cannot be seen by study of the Vedas, nor through sacrifices, charity, rituals, or severe penances. Mate vyatha macha vimud bhavo drishtva rupam ghoram idram amedam vyapeta bhi prit manaha punastvam tadeva me rupam idam prapashya. Do not fear or be deluded by seeing this terrible form of mine. Become fearless and with a cheerful mind behold once again my beautiful four-armed form to your complete satisfaction. Sanjaya Vachaha Ite Arjunam Vasudevas Tathoktva Swakam Rupam Darshayam Asha Bhuyaha Ashvasayam Asha Cha Bhitamenam Bhutva Punaha Somya Vapur Mahatma. Sanjay said, Having spoken thus, the supremely compassionate son of Vasudeva again revealed his four-armed form and then further consoled the frightened Arjun by assuming his gentle two-armed form. Arjuno vachaha drishtvedamanusham rupam tava somyam janardana idanim asmin samvrittaha sachetaha prakritim gataha. Arjun said, O Janardan, now my heart feels delight upon seeing this captivating human-like form of yours, and have returned to my normal condition. Shri Bhagavan uvachaha sudurdarsham idam rupam drishtavan asi janmamam deva api yasya rupasya nityam darshana kankshinaha. Shri Bhagavan said, this human form of mine which you have seen is rarely seen by others. Even the devas are ever hankering to have darshan of this form. Naham veder na tapasa na danena na chejjaya shakya evam idum drishtum drishtuvanasi janmama. It is not possible to see me in this form as you see me now merely by studying the Vedas, practicing austerities, giving in charity or performing sacrifices. Bhaktva tav ananya shakya aham evam vidho arjuna gyatum drishtuncha tatvena parveshtuyanchu parantapa. O Parantapa Arjun, only by Ananya Bhakti can one actually know and see my eternal, beautiful human form and truly enter into association with me in my abode. Mat karma krin mat paramo mad bhaktaha sanga varjita nirvair sarva bhuteshu yaha samamameti pandava. O son of Pandu, one who works exclusively for me and considers me alone to be his supreme goal, who engages in the various limbs of bhakti such as Shravanam and Kirtanam while avoiding mundane attachments, and who remains free from enmity towards any living being, he alone attains me in my supremely beautiful Krishna form. Iti Srimad Bhagavad Gitasu Upanishadsu Brahma Vidyayam Yoga Shastre Shri Krishna Arjun Samvade Vishwarupa Darshan Yogo Namo Ekadashad